Hello. Yeah, this is Python programming channel. Welcome to the Python programming channel. In this video, we're giving you the task number 2 for the task for the week number 3. And in this task, we are just to print back a given list using the index position. This time, not using the item, but using the index position of the item in such a way that all the items in the evil index positions will come after all the items in the odd positions have been printed. So from what you have on your screen, you see they were given an example, and the sample list we want is a range between 1 to 101, not including 101. So you print back such that all the numbers at the index position, which the index position is odd, will come first. Then the numbers which the index position are even will come after the odd numbers. Please take your time, try it out using different methods that you know. I'm not all knowing, so I would like to know new methods from you. But the good thing about our Python task and exercise is that every task and exercise always come out with a prize. And as you solve it, do the needed, you receive your prize. So with this media, I'm using this media to say congratulations to Mr. Elvis that won last week's task. He won the task. Please, if you are contesting for this week's prize, kindly do the needed. Drop your answer as a comment either on our YouTube blog or on our YouTube channel or on the blog. Then also you have to like any post, any further posts, including this post on our blog. Thereafter, you proceed to the YouTube channel. You like 3 videos on the YouTube channel. You also subscribe to our blog and YouTube channel. Then you share our blog and channel to 3 media sites. Preferably, I prefer Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can use LinkedIn and share it here. But you must use the hashtag hamplustech. Thank you very much. Do have a lovely time, a nice time practicing. I just have to chip this. The video won't be coming regularly because I am presently doing an online course in machine learning and data science with West Point University. So please, but just check frequently, and I'll try my best to give you nice videos. Thank you. Please don't forget to drop your comments, your observation about the videos, about the channel, about our post on the blog. Please drop it as a comment for us to see. Feel free to share the content of our blog and YouTube channel. Also, do well by sharing the blog and YouTube channel to your friends that they should come here also and learn the basics of Python programming. Thank you very much. Bye bye.